If you think you've seen a lot of Isuzu MUXs on the road lately, both in town and in the country, you'd be right. This was Australia's top-selling ute-based 7-seater SUV in 2017. So what's made the MUX such a hit with the adventurous side of the Aussie motoring public? Let's jump in and find out. The Isuzu Ute shifted over 8,000 examples of the MUX last year, putting it well ahead of direct rivals like Toyota's Fortuner, Holden's Trailblazer and Ford's Everest. The brand might only have two basic models, the D-Max Ute and its sibling MUX SUV, but since its arrival down under in 2008, Isuzu Ute has earned a solid reputation for building rugged and reliable vehicles, if a little basic. Well, perhaps the term basic is a little unfair when it comes to our test vehicle, which is Isuzu's top-spec LS Terrain version of the MUX 4x4. With keyless entry, push-button starting, an 8-inch multimedia touchscreen, sat-nav and this is what the kids love in particular, a 10-inch drop-down movie screen that comes out of the headlining in the back, it's anything but Spartan. But it's when you blend the MUX LST's amenities with its workhorse credentials that this SUV really stacks up as a do-the-lot family-friendly proposition. The rugged 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel is a little raucous, but it's originally derived from a truck engine, and it feeds lazy, effortless grunt through the 6-speed auto for easy progress both on the highway or in the bush. Then there's the 3-tonne brake towing limit, which will make light work of towing a wide range of boats, caravans and campers. And let's not forget the near 600 kilo payload. With plenty of space for the whole family, roof rails are standard and nearly 880 litres of luggage space with the third row seating folded flat, there's ample room for all the gear that goes along with typical Aussie outdoor adventures. And when those adventures take you off the bitumen, a dual range transfer case, underbody protection and 230mm of ground clearance means this 4x4 MUX has all the ability you'll need to get to where you're going. Until the end of March 2018, you can pick up a 2017 plated example of Isuzu's MUX LST 4x4 Auto for just $52,990 drive away. Add in the 5-star ANCAP safety rating, the factory 5-year or 130,000 kilometre warranty, roadside assistance and cap price servicing, and Isuzu's MUX holds as much appeal for the family finances as it does for outdoor loving families in general.